YouTube, it's your favorite plant girl, PlantMamaTee, and I'm back with another video. On my channel, I do talk about how I use plants to help with my anxiety and depression. If this is something that you are interested in, please feel free to consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. So on this video, I'll be repotting some of the finds that I got this week. I've got a red maranta. Can you see me? I got a red maranta. I got a syngonium albo. It's really pretty. This one is philodendron verrucosum. Really pretty. Another red maranta, a green maranta, lemon lime green. This one's really, I like that one so much. I have some micans, philodendron micans that are really nice, and my anthurium. So we'll be repotting these, and I will be making or mixing the growing medium and then just putting them in the pots. I'm going to start with the albo syngonium. So I actually already have some mix from the last time I repotted. So this is what you want your growing medium to look like. This is what it should look like by the time you're done mixing. So I'm gonna just mix this around a little bit. And let's see. This could go in yeah, this looks big enough for it. This is about a 5-inch planter. So just gonna fill the bottom. 3 scoops is enough. I'm gonna set these babies down in here, and then I'm just gonna fill it in. Now, if you have any of these plants, please comment below. Give me some advice. What should I expect? How did you like them? Or how do you like them? What did you not like about them? What should I be on the lookout for? Since this is my first time with them, I definitely want all the information possible. Pretty. And set this to the side, and I'll just water them all when we're done. Next, I'll go ahead and replant this anthurium. And as you can see, it's got like some yellowing up here, and I don't know why. Look at this chunk here. Look at this rhizome. For now, I'm gonna find which size planter we're about to use for this. So this would be too small. This is a 5-inch. I'm gonna check for a 6-inch. So this may be the only one that I have to fit this because of its large root. I don't like the fact that this planter is too tall. But I don't know. I might use it and we're just gonna see what happens. As a matter of fact, I have a shorter one. I knew I had a shorter one, but let's see. And this will be perfect. Yep, this is what we're gonna use. So, we're gonna get our soil, our mix, our growing medium. We're gonna fill the bottom. And it's no specific amount of scoops I use. I just do it until I can't see the holes anymore. At the bottom, put the baby in there, center it, and then just fill it in. Now you can use your hands. You don't have to use a spoon. I just use a spoon. Or my hands sometimes. This medium looks so great. Like, it looks so good. Like, it just gives me so much confidence that these are going to do well. Now, when your growing medium is right, you know that your roots will be healthy. The rest is up to you for watering, which you still can't. I mean, it should be well draining. This is well draining, so you can't overwater it. But you also have to make sure that the environment is right as far as the humidity and the lighting. Isn't she lovely? Isn't she lovely? This is great. This is beautiful. And I'm just gonna water, like I said, I'm gonna water all of these later. Alright, next let's go ahead and do this baby. Look at the roots. The roots look good. Actually, I'm not even gonna use what I put in here. That's enough. The roots look good. So we're just going to find, let's see, this probably can go in here. Yeah, because the roots are not that big, so they're small. You definitely don't want something too big, because then your roots won't be able to, you know, drink up the water, and they'll be sitting in water, which will lead to root rot. So that's not good. So this is a 5-inch planter, and I've covered the bottom, and now I'm gonna fill this in. But yeah, back to my home renovations, my home improvement. I'm so excited that this weekend at least one of the rooms will finally be completed. It's been a long time coming. I don't expect it to be done overnight, but it just can be really stressful when you're doing it all by yourself. That's the most stressful part, because it's like the money, you'll have the money and then something else will come up, and then you'll have to take care of that instead of doing what you wanted to do or what you planned on doing. So it can definitely be like very stressful, but whenever you feel stressed, just get you a plant and do some plant care. Because if it wasn't for these plants, I'm sure any plant mom would tell you that, and I'm sure any plant parent would tell you that they have gone crazy if it wasn't for the plants. So next we'll be repotting our micans. When I say these roots look so good, like, it's the root porn for me. Now I'm not going to try to go through, and I'm gently just, you know, trying to flick the soil, the old soil off. These roots love cocoa husk because it's really attached to the cocoa husk. And again, they're small, so they like to be moist but not wet. Keeping some of the soil, when you have healthy plants, keeping some of the soil on the roots from what they were already thriving in is always a good idea, because while you're introducing them to something new, they still have that feel of what they were already, you know, used to. And repotting is already stressful for them enough, so you don't want to cause too much stress. They like, don't stress me out, please. I can use, no, this one's too small. This one looks too small. Yeah, this is too small. This is good. Make sure that when you are repotting, you're using clean pots, clean planters. Because you don't want to use something from old soil or something and then your plants end up getting an infection or, you know, something like that. Then you done did all of that for no reason and then you have to repot them again. I like this. Like, this looks really nice. What do you think? I also have a baby Syngonium pink splash that I will need to repot soon. I have a silver sword cutting and a white princess chunk that I can't wait until that starts to get big. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be so beautiful. So that's our plant care for today. Thank you again for tuning in. Until the next video, go buy some plants. See you soon.